still see me?
Yes, you can. Can you see us?
Yes. Well, good evening or good afternoon. I planned to say good morning, but now it is afternoon. Chairman Anderson, Vice Chair Case, and all the county supervisors. It is a great pleasure to see you and finally meet you for the first time. My name is Summer Vu. I am an elementary school teacher and also a civil rights activist. I spoke on issues that involve the Hmong community in many cases in the past. I'm sure you've heard about me. We plan to enact to you what it would be like to not speak the language, the Hmong language, or perhaps the English language. But because we're so efficient in translation and in providing translators, she kind of ruined our plan, but it's okay. I'm here. First, I want to thank my principal, Mrs. Virginia Mendes, for allowing me the opportunity to be here and allowing me to take a personal time to speak to you. I am here to speak on behalf of those who cannot speak for themselves, and because I am greatly concerned about this position that the health department is planning to eliminate. What the ladies are referring to is the Hmong-speaking specialist position that does the investigation and education to the Hmong community. This position created in 2004 when there was an outbreak with TB, especially after the arriving of the Hmong refugees in 2004. And I believe that there are many leaders in the Fresno community that was a great part of this position. I believe there are people who came from the State Department of Health, people in the Fresno County, people in the city, also from the nonprofit sector. They were working together with the Fresno Health Department to come up with a way that would be able to help the Hmong community tackle this TB disease. Now, if we just take this, if this position was especially established in just 2 years to help the Hmong community reduce the TB disease outbreak, and then we're taking that position away, we're going back to square one. Since that position was created, many families got education, they got prevention services, they were properly educated in various ways through radio, television, through workshops, home visits, and they felt comforted because this person was able to speak their language and know their culture and know of their ways. But this very particular position is one of its kind. If Dr. Moreno planned to cut this position, who is servicing over 30,000 Hmong families in the community? What are some of the ways that he's going to meet the needs of our community? I believe, as a civil rights activist and an educator, I believe that every community should have equal and proper representation and fair education to help themselves so that they can properly take care of their families and take care of themselves, and also protect the lives of others around them. We cannot save money at the expense of people's lives. I understand that this is a time where we have financial depression and money needs to be saved and people's jobs need to be considered, but at the same time, what's more important, saving thousands and thousands of dollars or saving lives? I'm asking that you reconsider, Dr. Ed Moreno, as well as the board, to sustain this position and to continue to provide that representation and that proper education and also the intervention so that the Hmong community can continue to live without the stress of not knowing and being improperly educated or informed. We appreciate your support, and we appreciate the fact that you were there for the Hmong community since 2004, and we hope that you continue to see the importance of this position and continue to work with our community and protect all lives in Fresno County. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Fu.
One of the things that I have here are signatures from 217 people who was not able to be here,
Okay.
but we would like to present you with these
You can give those to our
signatures.
clerk, and she will make sure that we see those and make them part of our record. I'm going to ask speakers to keep their comments to the timer on the podium there, which is about 3 minutes.